Alright, in today's video it's going to be a little bit different because we recently returned from a family trip to Disneyland. And one of the most common things I heard people say is, "Oh, isn't your sister pregnant? Is she still going to go? Oh, that's too bad, your sister won't have any fun." So I thought it would be fun in this video to talk about what my sister did while we were there, if she was still able to have a good time, what her tips and tricks are for making the most of Disney parks when you're pregnant. So instead of me talking about that, I brought my sister Megan.
Hi! So my first tip would be to enjoy all the shows. Not only does Disney offer great shows that are fun anytime, but it's a great way if you're pregnant to get off your feet and to get into some air conditioning. And so that's a great way to get some rest, but still be part of the Disney magic. Tip number 2, I would say buy cute maternity shirts that are Disney themed. Not only was it super fun to wear around the park, I was able to get lots of compliments on it from other guests, but even more so, it gave cast members and characters the opportunity to either do fun photo ops or give me tips because they knew that I was pregnant, and that was really helpful. So an example of this was getting off one of the rides. I didn't really know how to navigate getting on and off with a bigger bump than I was used to. But because the cast member could identify by my shirt that I was pregnant, he was able to give me a tip of the easiest way to load on and off. And also, while we were getting pictures, the characters could kind of pose with my belly and point to my belly. You gotta show you that I will rumbly my tumbly! I've got a little Mickey in me! So where's our fat little rumbly my tumbly? Tip number 3, stay hydrated. This is so important, first off, for your health and the baby's, but also because you are going to be wanting to go all day long, often into the night at Disneyland, and it's going to help you stay energized. Disney offers free cups of water, and ice water even, to anybody who will ask. You just have to go into a dining location and ask for those things. If they don't offer it right there, then they tell you the closest one that they do. This is awesome because you don't have to worry about bending over at drinking fountains with your bump that's maybe a little bit bigger than you're used to. I didn't have to lug around a big water bottle all day, and it was cool and refreshing throughout the day. Tip number 4, I would definitely say take breaks. We love to take a midday nap whether you're pregnant or not, and so that's something that we build into our Disney schedule. But especially if you're pregnant, take the time to either go back to the hotel and rest up or find other ways. One of the great ways to do this while staying in the parks is by maybe going and seeing Turtle Talk with Crush or the Animation Academy, something that will get you off your feet and give you a little bit of a break from walking, but also keeps you enjoying the different activities that Disney has to offer.
Sorry, character for this class, but before we get started, you also met another Alright, we'll take those joints off your boards. Those are for you, Nikki. We have a...
Tip number 5. Talk to your doctor or healthcare provider before planning your trip to Disneyland and discuss with them maybe some concerns you have and how this applies to your specific pregnancy. Every pregnancy is different, and it's really important that you feel comfortable and that your doctor feels comfortable with the things that you're going to be doing. With that said, if you're able to go and get the clearance to go, I would definitely still take opportunities to ride the rides. Maybe this is a trip where instead of doing one of the bigger roller coasters, you take a stroll down Main Street in one of the Main Street vehicles or hop on the Mark Twain. Either way, I still felt comfortable riding a lot of the rides and was able to have a good time with my family, but got to experience some new things too. My bonus tip would be make sure that you indulge in your favorite Disney treat. Because baby wants a Dole Whip, so mama gets a Dole Whip. That's what I think.
Alright, we hope you found these tips helpful, and if you are planning a trip, you can still have a great time when you were pregnant. Megan was still hitting up a bunch of stuff, and also enjoying plenty of those treats too. If you found this video helpful, be sure and give it a like, and also you can check out Megan's Disney Food Instagram account at Mickey Munchies on Instagram. And if you haven't already, I'd encourage you to subscribe to the channel because I have more great stuff coming, including Disney Cruise food reviews, more Disneyland reviews, and plenty of tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a magical day.